Determining the three best guitarists of all time can be subjective and varies depending on different criteria like technical skill, influence, and musicality. However, many sources frequently mention the following three guitarists. Jimi Hendrix. Known for his innovative approach to the electric guitar, Jimi Hendrix's impact on music is immeasurable. His use of feedback, distortion, and wah-wah pedal has influenced countless musicians. His performances at Woodstock and Monterey Pop Festival are legendary. Eric Clapton. Eric Clapton, also known as Slowhand, is renowned for his blues-influenced guitar playing. He has been a member of iconic bands such as Cream, Blind Faith, and Derek and the Dominos. Clapton's solo career has also produced numerous hits, showcasing his versatility and longevity in the music industry. Jimmy Page. As the guitarist for Led Zeppelin, Jimmy Page is celebrated for his complex riffs, solos, and innovative recording techniques. Songs like Stairway to Heaven, Whole Lotta Love, and Kashmir highlight his ability to blend hard rock with blues and folk influences. These guitarists have left an indelible mark on music and continue to inspire musicians worldwide. Their contributions to guitar playing and music, in general, are unparalleled. Check my links below. Consider subscribing to my channel.